Everything feels broken inside. Nothing is as before. Your plans have collapsed. Life seems completely unfair. You feel completely lost. Fear whispers in silence. You don't know where. To start rebuilding again, everything you trusted vanished. Your heart feels heavy. The ground feels unsteady. Your mind races constantly. Thoughts spin out quickly. Emotions overwhelm without warning. Confusion clouds your vision. Hope feels incredibly distant. Strength feels almost gone. Energy feels completely drained. Life seems unbearably hard. Yet here you remain. Step 1. Acceptance. Accept the painful reality. Accept that things fell. Accept your current emotions. Stop running from truth. Face the emotional turmoil. Do not ignore feelings. Feel sadness fully. Now, feel anger when necessary. Feel grief without shame. Let yourself truly feel. Accept your past mistakes. Accept the actions failed. Accept things beyond control. Accept the people changed. Accept what is lost. Accept your vulnerability today. Acceptance starts your healing. Acceptance gives clarity slowly. Acceptance prepares inner strength. Acceptance begins rebuilding you. Step 2. Grounding. Breathe slowly and deeply. Ground yourself in present. Notice the small details. Observe the world calmly. Feel your feet firmly. Feel your body alive. Let thoughts settle gently. Separate facts from emotions. Identify what truly matters. Clarify your intentions slowly. Write down your priorities. List what needs fixing. Highlight small, achievable steps. Focus on what matters. Avoid chasing distractions. Now, reduce noise from outside. Reduce inner mental clutter. Reclaim focus from chaos. Define the smallest goal. Commit to small victories. Step 3. Mindset shift. Your mindset determines recovery. Thoughts create emotional reality. Believe you can rebuild. Believe in inner strength. Challenge limiting beliefs today. Replace fear with courage. Replace doubt with action. Replace hesitation with persistence. Focus on solutions constantly. Trust yourself through process. Growth requires daily discipline. Growth starts with small actions. Growth builds slowly over time. Each day matters significantly. Each moment offers opportunity. Choose positivity over negativity. Choose resilience over despair. Choose action over waiting. Choose hope over hopelessness. Strength grows from persistence. Step 4. Daily actions. Start with simplest step. Make your bed first. Hydrate body immediately today. Stretch and move gently. Step outside for sunlight. Feel your lungs expand. Organize your workspace clearly. Remove unnecessary clutter. Now, plan your day intentionally. Focus on one task. Break big tasks into steps. Prioritize the most important. Avoid distractions while working. Batch similar tasks together. Track small, daily progress. Reflect each step calmly. Adjust what is ineffective. Celebrate small wins regularly. Keep journal for accountability. Review tomorrow's plan tonight. Step 5. Emotional management. Emotions will always fluctuate. Don't fear sadness today. Don't fear anxiety now. Don't fear failure often. Name emotions without judgment. Accept feelings without resistance. Talk honestly with yourself. Speak thoughts clearly aloud. Let tears fall naturally. Feel anger, release safely. Gratitude heals broken mindset. Note small positive moments. Reflect on tiny victories. Recognize resilience within you. Appreciate lessons from failure. Celebrate every progress step. Focus on emotional recovery. Practice patience consistently today. Be gentle with yourself. Be kind to your mind. Step 6. Confidence and courage. Confidence is rebuilt slowly. Take small, brave actions. Do what feels hard. Step outside comfort zone. Fail, learn, try again. Track all personal wins, remind yourself of past. Remind yourself of strength. Repeat, encouraging self-talk daily. Practice skills that matter. Surround yourself with support. Find mentors for guidance. Avoid toxic influences consistently. Connect with positive people. Collaborate with motivated peers. Learn from others' mistakes. Share insights generously. Often, celebrate others' success sincerely. Focus on constructive feedback. Build supportive community now. Step 7. Goals and planning. Define clear, achievable goals. Break them into steps. Track daily, small progress. Adjust strategies when necessary. Visualize success every day. Review weekly accomplishments. Calmly plan next steps. Carefully. Commit fully to execution. Persist even during setbacks. Avoid shortcuts and shortcuts. Focus on sustainable growth. Build habits for resilience. Discipline beats fleeting motivation. Small, consistent actions matter. Energy management affects performance. Rest properly every night. Sleep deeply for clarity. Exercise, body to fuel. Mind nutrition strengthens both aspects. Mental clarity follows consistently. Step 8. Reflection and journaling. Review each completed task. Write insights from day. Reflect honestly without judgment. Celebrate what you learned. Identify improvements tomorrow. Track mistakes carefully daily. Adjust strategies thoughtfully today. Note patterns in behavior. Understand triggers for actions. Recognize recurring challenges quickly. Identify personal growth points. Document lessons learned regularly. Use journal for clarity. Write positive affirmations now. Track small wins weekly. Plan adjustments intelligently today. Reassess long-term personal goals. Visualize outcome clearly. Often, keep journal close daily. Build consistency with reflection. Step 9. Habits and routine. Habits. Strengthen rebuilding process. Repeat good habits daily. Avoid unhealthy habits completely. Automate small positive actions. Design routine for success. Keep morning rituals consistent. Batch similar tasks effectively. Track habits each week. Reward small achievements regularly. Avoid multitasking constantly today. Plan rest periods carefully. Prioritize high-impact habits. First, reduce distractions from routine, optimize energy and time. Align actions with intentions. Make habits enjoyable, always. Track results and adjust. Focus on long-term growth. Consistency compounds over time. Habits become identity slowly. Step 10. Learning and growth. Knowledge accelerates rebuilding journey. Read books daily consistently. Listen to lessons attentively. Study mentors and experts. Apply knowledge immediately daily. Practice skills consistently. Now, stay curious about everything. Experiment with new strategies. Reflect on mistakes consistently. Adjust approach based on feedback. Teach others to reinforce. Analyze results thoroughly, often. Challenge personal assumptions constantly. Observe successful strategies carefully. Apply lessons to life. Expand skills gradually, consistently. Stay adaptable during changes. Build wisdom through learning. Seek feedback regularly, always. Use learning to grow. Step 11. Action and persistence. Take immediate decisive action. Start even when unsure. Fail fast and improve. Avoid overthinking every step. Focus energy on results. Push through discomfort daily. Remove excuses immediately, always. Maintain momentum during challenges. Take responsibility for outcomes. Commit fully to execution. Keep moving consistently forward. Persevere through setbacks steadily. Build confidence from action. Strength comes from persistence. Step outside comfort zone. Action multiplies results quickly. Reinforce progress through repetition. Avoid procrastination completely now. Execute plans daily consistently. Take bold steps consistently. If this video helped, understand the rebuilding process. Improve focus and habits. Like and share this. Subscribe for more guidance. Comment your key takeaway. Share with someone struggling. Start rebuilding today immediately. Take small, consistent actions. Protect your energy, always. Focus on personal growth. Prioritize your mental clarity. Repeat actions faithfully daily. Stay patient with progress. Trust the process fully. Adjust when necessary consistently. Celebrate small wins often. Reinforce new positive habits. Keep learning and improving. Start rebuilding your life now.